Welcome to GoLogica. Today, we explore machine learning training, a comprehensive program designed to equip learners with the skills required to develop, deploy, and optimize machine learning models in real-world applications. Roadmap of machine learning training. About the course, prerequisites, eligibility criteria, salaries, roles, and responsibilities, training program. Here, we discuss about the course. Machine learning, ML, is a subset of artificial intelligence, AI, that enables systems to learn from data and improve their performance over time without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning is widely used in various industries, including healthcare, finance, e-commerce, cybersecurity, and automation, to enhance efficiency and decision-making. The machine learning training course provides an in-depth understanding of ML algorithms, statistical modeling, data preprocessing, feature engineering, supervised and unsupervised learning, deep learning, and deployment strategies. Learners will gain practical experience in building and optimizing ML models, understanding neural networks, and leveraging industry-standard tools such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, Scikit-learn, and Keras. The course begins with an introduction to AI and ML, covering fundamental concepts such as data types, model evaluation, and algorithm selection. It then explores supervised learning regression, classification, unsupervised learning clustering, dimensionality reduction, reinforcement learning, and deep learning architectures like CNNs, RNNs, and GANs. Advanced topics include hyperparameter tuning, model interpretability, deployment using cloud platforms, and ethical AI considerations. This course covers data preprocessing, supervised learning, unsupervised learning, deep learning, reinforcement learning, model evaluation, performance optimization, machine learning pipelines, automation, cloud services deployment, ethical AI, and bias mitigation strategies, making it ideal for those aspiring to develop expertise in machine learning and data science. Let's discuss prerequisites of this course. To complete the machine learning training, the following knowledge and skills are recommended. Basic programming knowledge in Python, R, or Java. Understanding of linear algebra, calculus, probability, and statistics. Familiarity with data structures and algorithms. Knowledge of databases and SQL queries. Basic understanding of cloud computing services, AWS, Azure, GCP, is a plus. Experience with data visualization tools such as Matplotlib, Seaborn, or Tableau. Now we know the eligibility criteria for machine learning. This course is suitable for data analysts and scientists, professionals working with data who want to implement predictive modeling and machine learning techniques, software developers and engineers, developers interested in incorporating ML into their applications, AI enthusiasts and researchers, individuals looking to build a career in AI and machine learning research. Business intelligence professionals, those seeking to leverage ML for data-driven decision-making. IT and cloud professionals, individuals working with cloud computing and wanting to deploy ML models on cloud platforms. Salaries, roles, and responsibilities in machine learning. Machine learning is a high-demand field, offering competitive salaries and various career opportunities. Here are some key roles and their salary ranges. Machine learning. Engineer. Develop, train, and deploy ML models, optimize algorithms, and ensure model performance, and the average salary ranges from $110,000 to $160,000 per annum. Data scientist. Perform statistical analysis, build predictive models, and extract insights from data. They can earn an average salary of $120,000 to $170,000 per annum. AI engineer. Design and implement AI-driven applications and automate decision-making processes. In this field, we can earn a salary range of $130,000 to $180,000 per annum. Deep learning engineer, work on neural network architectures, optimize deep learning models, and apply AI to real-world scenarios. The average salary ranges from $130,000 to $185,000 per annum. Data engineer, design data pipelines, process large-scale datasets, and prepare data for ML models. The average salary is $100,000 to $150,000 per annum. Computer vision. Engineer. Develop ML solutions for image and video processing applications. The average salary is $120,000 to $170,000 per annum. NLP, engineer, work on natural language processing models, chatbots, and AI-powered language applications. They can earn $125,000 to $175,000 per annum. The above salaries depend on experience, skills, industry demand, and geographical location. Here we can discuss the training program. Machine learning training is an industry-oriented program designed to provide hands-on experience through practical labs, real-world projects, and instructor-led sessions. The course is structured to ensure learners gain in-depth knowledge of ML methodologies, tools, and applications. GoLogica offers an extensive training program in machine learning, covering topics such as data preprocessing, supervised learning algorithms, deep learning with TensorFlow and PyTorch, natural language processing and speech recognition, computer vision, model deployment, and AI ethics. The program also includes practical assignments, industry case studies, and real-world projects. The program offers expert mentoring, industry-recognized certification, flexible learning options, and 24/7 support, ensuring that learners receive the best training experience and career guidance. The hands-on projects and case studies are designed to provide real-world exposure, preparing candidates for high-demand job roles in AI and ML. Whether you are looking to start a career in machine learning or advance your skills, this course equips you with the expertise needed to succeed in the AI-driven world. Join GoLogica today and take the first step toward becoming a machine learning expert.